How to transfer eFootball account from phone to PS5. Now, I'm not gonna be prolonging this kind of topic, and I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. Well, the actual process is you cannot transfer an eFootball account directly from a mobile phone to a PS5. You cannot also transfer between console to console or any cross-platform account transfers between mobile and console. Now, I'm going to be providing you the last resort or the alternative way so that you can somehow still proceed on completing this kind of process. So all you have to do from your PS5 is just simply download and install eFootball directly from Konami. Now, the one that you'll be using to log in from your eFootball phone is going to be the same with Konami ID, so that you don't need to transfer everything from there. You just have to link it over so that you can still use the same account. So that's your last resort to do for you to be able to transfer eFootball account from phone to PS5.